Judge Mehalchick, you remember a case called Yentzer v. Potter County?
I have a recollection that I presided over that case. I don't know if I recall the details of it.
Okay, and you were reversed, is that right?
I believe that was a case that I issued. I was a magistrate judge in that role and in the referral role on it, and it was reviewed by the district court, yes.
And you were reversed, right?
I don't recall in that case if the report and the recommendation was adopted in full or not adopted in full, but yes.
The higher court said you incorrectly analyzed qualified immunity and you incorrectly cited the 11th Amendment. Do you remember a case called Myers v. Clinton County Correctional Facility?
I recall that case as well.
And you were reversed in that case too, weren't you?
I believe it was adopted in part, yes.
Do you remember a case called Dennis v. Sheridan?
Yes, I believe I recall that case as well.
And you were reversed in that case too?
I believe that R&R was not adopted in full, correct? Yes.
Okay, but you were reversed.
It was not adopted, yes.
Is that
by
the same thing as being reversed?
It's a different. The district court declined to adopt the report and
The higher
recommendation.
court said you were wrong.
The district court disagreed with my report. Yes.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Hot News Today. Today we're diving into a Judiciary Committee hearing that turned real uncomfortable. Senator John Kennedy went straight for the jugular in his questioning of Judge Karoline Mehalchick. This wasn't your average Q&A. If you've ever wondered how intense these hearings get, buckle up.
Do you remember a case called Shania v. East Pennsboro?
Yeah, the Shanias are pro se plaintiffs who have brought a number of cases, so I'm not sure which one you're referring to. Yes.
I'm just curious, you were reversed in that case too, were you not?
In part, yes.
Okay. Do you remember a case called Spanier v. Libby?
Yes, I do.
The president of Pennsylvania State University was convicted of covering up child sex abuse crimes, and you let him go on a habeas corpus petition, and the Third Circuit reversed you, is that right?
I directed that a new trial should be held with a different jury instruction, and the Third Circuit disagreed and found that he had received the due process he was entitled to, yes.
Well, the Third Circuit said you failed to cite, analyze, or properly apply the relevant case law. You were reversed, right?
The Third Circuit reversed my decision, yes.
Let's break it down. Senator Kennedy opens with a sharp tone. Congratulations to all the nominees. Judge Mehalchick, you remember Yentzer v. Potter County? She responds cautiously. But Kennedy is prepared. You were reversed, weren't you? Mehalchick confirms she was. This is only the beginning. Kennedy rattles off case names. You were reversed in that case too, weren't you? And Mehalchick? Yes, in part. It's like a courtroom version of death by 1,000 cuts. Then comes the bombshell, the Graham Spanier case. The president of Penn State convicted of covering up child sex abuse crimes, and the Third Circuit reversed you. You failed to cite the relevant case law. Mehalchick clarifies she recommended a new trial, but Kennedy cuts through it. You were reversed, right? Her answer? A soft yes. This moment is chilling, not just for what's said, but how it's said. Kennedy continues. Do you remember a case called Hassel v. Centric Bank, Ramsey v. Amtrak, McCracken v. Fulton County? One by one, Judge Mehalchick acknowledges the reversals. I don't have time to finish this list. It's longer than King Kong's arm. If you're finding this direct coverage helpful, hit that subscribe button. Then comes the political drama. Kennedy presses, "You've been nominated before, haven't you?" Mehalchick, "No, sir." But Kennedy isn't buying it. He brings up former Senator Pat Toomey's refusal to submit a blue slip. He thought you were so unqualified he wouldn't even let the committee consider you. She denies knowing his reasons. But the implication is clear. She's been blocked before.
In fact, you've been nominated before, haven't you?
No, I have not, sir.
Well, your nomination was talked about, and Senator Toomey refused to send in a blue slip for you, did he not?
I'm not sure exactly what happened. I know that this process has been ongoing for 2 years.
Yeah, but you know that Senator Toomey refused to even thought you were so unqualified that he refused to even allow the Judiciary Committee to consider you. Isn't that correct?
I do not know what Senator Toomey's reasons were. So
You never talked to Senator Toomey about it?
I never discussed it with Senator
And
Toomey.
you don't know anything about a blue slip being withheld on you?
I do not know.
You're under oath.
I am under oath, and I know I did not speak with Senator Toomey about his reasons for not.
Was Senator Toomey's concerned that you were unqualified?
Again, Senator, I did not speak with Senator Toomey or his staff about his reasons for not supporting me.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Senator. Senator Hirono.
So what does this mean for Judge Mehalchick's nomination? At best, it's rocky. At worst, it might not even make it out of committee. Senator Kennedy laid out a blistering case questioning her legal reasoning and judgment. Let me know in the comments, should she be confirmed? Smash that like button if you want more content like this, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next showdown. Until next time, stay sharp, stay informed.